How to turn off plus button on TradingView. Are you guys facing issue to remove plus button on your TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open the TradingView, log in into your account with a registered email and password. To remove this plus icon over here, just right click on your screen. Now click on settings. Now go over scale and lines. Once you click on it, you can see the option for plus button over here. Just turn it off. Now click on OK. So as you guys can see, our plus button has been removed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.